Recognizing that budget constraints can be a challenge, our video today highlights a selection of high-quality yet affordable products in the market. Please consult the description for the most accurate and current pricing and information on our featured products. Comfee. The Comfee Countertop Dishwashers is the best countertop dishwasher for anyone on a budget, but that doesn't mean it's skimp on features or the number of dishes that can be washed. The Comfee Countertop Dishwasher measures 20.6 inches, 21.6 inches wide, and 17.2 inches high. It's not as compact as other dishwasher on our list, but its size means that it can fit 6 places setting, making it a good choice for couples or small families. This countertop dishwasher has 8 settings, including option for cycle for heavily and normally soiled dishes, speeds and mini party cycles, a baby care setting and glassware setting, a rinse-only settings, and an eco settings. It also has an extra drying function that ensures you're not opening up your dishwasher to find damp dish. We love that you can choose between 3 colorway for this appliances. It comes in all white, all black, and black and white, so you can select what fits best with your kitchen's decor. With only a 49 decibel noise rating, the Comfee Countertop Dishwashers is the best countertop dishwasher for someone looking to keep the noises to a minimum. There's also a child-proof lock to keep any little ones from getting into the appliances. If you have larger dinner dishes, this countertop's dishwasher only fits dinnerwares that is under 10 inches in diameters on an angles, which does limits your options for what you can wash. Hermitlux. Introducing the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher, a compact powerhouse designed to make your dishwashing experience a breeze. This portable dishwasher boasts 5 versatile washing programs, ensuring optimal cleaning for all your culinary creations. Equipped with a convenient 5-liter built-in water tank, it offers flexibility without needing a constant water supply. The sleek glass door adds a touch of modern elegance while allowing you to keep an eye on the cleaning process. Perfect for small kitchens or as a backup appliance, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher delivers efficiency without compromising on performance. Say goodbye to the hassle of hand washing and hello to a time-saving solution that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Upgrade your kitchen with this space-saving gem that combines functionality and style. Enjoy the luxury of clean dishes with minimal effort. One common problem with portable dishwashers is that they need to be set up close to a faucet, and if you don't have the space by your kitchen sink, you'll want a model like this one from Hermitlux. This appliance has a handy built-in water tank that holds 5 gallons, so it doesn't need to be hooked up to a water source to run. This dishwasher is on the smaller side, and it can only hold 4 place settings at a time. It's available with a glass or solid door, and there are 5 wash programs to choose from, including one for washing fruits and vegetables. Gudsunal. Achieve pristine dishware with our countertop dishwasher's hot air circulation, eliminating odors and residual moisture. The original preservation feature, activating a cold air circulation system, ensures ongoing freshness. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and camping, our portable dishwasher boasts a 7L water tank, 40% larger than traditional ones, improving cleaning performance by 100%. Choose from 6 convenient programs to suit your dish load and enjoy the ease of a 192 high temp hygiene wash. The hybrid drying lamp preserve function ensures spotless, dry dishes every time. Its sleek white designs adds a touch of modernity to your kitchen while saving space. The convenience of portability meets the efficiency of advanced technology in this dishwasher. Elevate your dishwashing experience with Gudsunal, because clean should be simple. NOVETE. Although at the slightly higher priced ends of compact dishwashers, the NOVETE TDQR01 packs a lot of features and performances into one of the most compact, convenient, and stylish-looking portable dishwasher we have seen. The NOVETE TDQR01 can easily be connected to the faucets with the included hoses and connector, or you can top up the 1.3-gallon built-in water tanks and enjoy the freedoms to place the dishwashers anywhere you like, even in an RV. The NOVETE TDQR01 is simple to use thanks to clear LCD control panels and offer 5 wash programs. Normal, speeds, eco, baby care heavy, and in fruit rinse mode with the included fruit baskets. The NOVETE also offers an air dry function and ventilation that protects against the buildup of odor should you need to leave your dishwashers unattended for a time. While this portable dishwasher offers clean, modern looks, it is only available in white. Sadly, while the interior LED light provides some welcome illuminations and complements the dual layers viewing window, the deep blue color might be a little off-putting for some. The TDQR01 is also among the quietest dishwasher we've checked and is rated at only 50 decibel. Unfortunately, the appliances is not Energy Star certified that we could see. Honeywell. The Honeywell Countertop Dishwasher, a standout in kitchen innovation and your go-to solution for hassle-free dishwashing. Boasting a sleek stainless steel exterior, this compact powerhouse has earned its title as the best countertop dishwasher of the year. The robust stainless steel tub not only ensures durability, but adds a touch of modern sophistication. Recognized with UL Energy Star certifications, this dishwasher combines power with energy efficiency, making it a responsible choice. Its compact design seamlessly integrates into any kitchen setup, making it a practical solution for small spaces. Elevate your dishwashing experience with Honeywell's seamless performance and sleek stainless steel charm, because practicality can be stylish too. As an Energy Star certified appliance, it combines powerful cleaning with energy-saving features. Tailor each wash to your needs with versatile programs like Heavy, Normal, Eco, Glass, Speed, and Rinse. Experience the epitome of convenience and efficiency with the Honeywell Countertop Dishwasher, a game-changer earning its spot as one of the best countertop dishwashers of the year. ChuMaste. The ChuMaste Portable Countertop Dishwasher is a convenient and space-saving appliance designed to make washing dishes easier and more efficient. This mini dishwasher features a 5-liter water tank, 5 washing programs, and a leak-proof design. In addition, its spray arms rotate 360 degrees to facilitate a thorough cleanse. It is an easy-to-use and compact dishwasher for small kitchens and those with limited space. What sets it apart is its adaptability. You can effortlessly connect it to the tap for a continuous water supply, providing extra convenience. Perfectly designed for small living spaces, this dishwasher combines efficiency with portability in a sleek package. Elevate your dishwashing experience with ChuMaste and say goodbye to the hassle, whether you're at home, on the go, or in a cozy kitchenette. Simplify your cleaning routine with the ChuMaste Countertop Dishwasher, a true companion for modern living. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.